Redfeather from Graphics. In this Krita to Kdenlive video, we will be showing you how to create text in Krita and then import the text into Kdenlive and place a video into the text. Open Krita, create a new canvas, go to the toolbox, clicking on the T-Text tool. Once the text editor appears, type what you would like to say. For best results, type all letters in caps and change the font size to the largest size that you can. And change the font color to black. Once this is done in the Krita text editor, click Save and then Close. Then, on the Krita canvas, grab the text, moving it to a proper place on the canvas. Ours will be centered. Then go back to the Krita toolbox, clicking on the Transform Layer or Selection tool. On the Krita canvas, grab the edges of the Transform Layer or Selection tool box, expanding the text to a good size in order to accommodate the video to be placed in the text. Once this is done, go to Layers, highlight the regular paint layer, then click on the Krita color picker, choosing a background color. Go to the Krita toolbox, clicking on the bucket tool, then go to the canvas, adding the background color. Once this is done in Krita, go back to Layers and highlight the vector layer that holds the text. Right-click on the Krita vector layer and scroll down to Merge with Layer Below and click. Once this is done in Krita, we can now export our text and save it as a PNG. Open Kdenlive, bring in the text you created in Krita and the video you wish to run in the text. Place the text on top of the video on the Kdenlive timeline. Next, it is time to decide what part of the video we wish to run in our Krita text and how long we would like it to run. Being our text is an image on the Kdenlive timeline, we can easily adjust the duration by dragging the edge and also move the image to a proper place of the video. Once proper size and positioning is acquired on the Kdenlive timeline, we need to use an effect. Go to the effects list and in the search bar type Chromakey. Grab the Chromakey Basic, placing it into the PNG Krita text. In the Kdenlive Properties window, click the color bar. When the color bar appears, click on white. And then click Select. Once this is done in Kdenlive, you should now see the video playing within your text. Make any final editing adjustments, and once you are happy with your project, render away. I hope you have enjoyed this Krita to Kdenlive tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, It is free. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.